video. And in today's video, just another video of casual riding, all that good stuff with my buddy Paulo. If you guys don't know Paulo, I've known him since high school. He previously had a GSXR 750. It was like an older model, like 2002, maybe 2001, I don't know. But it was one of those models. And yeah, that was his first bike. And he had to end up selling it because that shit wouldn't run correctly. I tried everything I knew, all that shiznits, and he ended up selling it. He didn't have a bike for a good, I would say, 2, 3, 4 months. Then he ended up getting this beauty, 2007 Yamaha R6. It used to be a track guy's bike, and holy shit, guys, this bike is clean for the price he got it at. Comment down below right now, what price do you think he got this bike for? 2007 Yamaha R6, around 20-something thousand miles. Phenomenal shape. It's been dropped once by this guy's buddy, and yeah. Comment down below what you guys think he got it for. How much you guys think he got it for, should I say. My grammar is not correct. That's why stay in school, kids. Stay in school. Get that daily 100. You guys dig or what? You can't be riding and not hit that 100. Come on, man. It's a must. It's a must when you're riding with me, man. Don't let me keep saying man, please. I say that shit way too much. My helmet smells disgusting. The fuck? I don't know if it's my helmet or the fucking air, but it smells, or my breath. What the fuck? I got some stank breath, or what the hell? Just so you guys know, he has ridden before this, so he knows what he's doing. It's just been a while. Damn, son.
Damn!
Oh, tiptoe gang. Tiptoe gang. So 2007 Yamaha R6. Got the zero gravity windscreen, some aftermarket levers. Got frame sliders that are fucked. Practically brand new tires. Damn. But he's got a key like this. Or into one pull or what?
Maybe. I'm down.
Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna go hit up In-N-Out. Eat them Krabby Patties over there.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Preparing the Krabby Patty.
I need a fucking new back tire too, man. Shit. My shit's peeling. Fuck, I might have to pull the trigger right now and go check it out and buy it, man, because dangerous. Very dangerous. Let's see if he wants to do a run. Oh, never mind. He's already doing a run. was a good run, good run. I let go of the throttle because I didn't know if it was ready, and then I hammered that bitch. Tippy toe gang. God damn. Yeah, that bike's pretty tall, man. Not even gonna lie. Pretty tall. Mine's, like I said, it's lowered. So it's like a flat foot. I'm bending my knees. That's why I kind of want a bigger bike. I don't want to lift the bike. Who the fuck lifts a bike? But that's why I want a 1000. Because they're taller bikes. The little kid was all like, oh my god. I love making little kids smile, dude. When I'm riding, it's the best shit you can ever do.
Okay.
Oh, look at one of our bike friends. One of our bike friends! Amigo! What do you guys think the chances are of being able to run away from a cop? Like a motorcycle cop, not just a car cop, a motorcycle one. Because from what I've heard, they're like experienced as fuck, man. Both, like any of them. Tippy toe gang, don't drop it. Alright, put the kickstand down. Put the kickstand. Put the kickstand. Kickstand.
This is fucking so high, dude. I can't even put this over there.
I mean, I'm not tiptoeing it, but yeah, I'll give it to you. It's pretty high.
I know. I'm only what, 5'8"? Give a motorcycle cop right there?
Yeah. He was just chilling.
Yeah.
He paid no attention to us.
He didn't see us?
He didn't pay attention to us.
Oh, good.
He saw us, but he didn't pay attention to us.
Yeah. Open yet?
Fool, I don't even think it's open.
I don't think so either. Oh, it's 10:30, dog.
No way.
And it's 10 right now.
I kind of want to go to Cycle Gear and buy the tire.
Yeah, let's go.
Because my shit's fucking peeling. Look at that shit. Peeling. Fuck.
Yeah, I need to buy a new lock for the bike.
I need what?
I'm gonna buy a lock.
Oh, lock?
Yeah.
What happened to your old one? You gave it to the fool?
Nah, I fucking lost the keys.
Fucking fool. The dangerous, riding with a tire that's already going bald. And if I eat shit, man. Yeah, I don't want that happening. Also, I might let Junior borrow my bike. We might switch off bikes today, and I don't want my boy fucking, eating shit because my dumbass didn't want to fucking buy a new tire. And I'm gonna need it regardless. So might as well freaking, buy it. I know I'm gonna start to take off the back tire, but that's simple. I just want to buy it and make sure nobody fucking buys the one that I have, because I do not want to get a different brand in the back, because my front one's good. It's just that my dumbass have been doing fucking burnouts. And burnouts don't really go good with tires. And I did a pretty big one a couple months back. And it's biting me in the ass now. So don't do burnout, kids. Don't do burnouts. They're just like throwing money away, basically. So don't do it. Don't you dare fucking do it, guys. All right, let me see what I could do real quick. Fuck. It's money down the drain. This fucking guy, man. Let me go help him out. Just put the kickstand down.
I can't get a neutral. Got it?
Yeah. We are out of cycle gear. I'm gonna go take off my rear tire and bring it over. Just a casual day of riding. We didn't end up getting in and out. Not really too hungry. But you know, fuck it. I'm gonna ride it later either ways. I'm gonna let fucking Junior break in my new rear tire because we're gonna switch bikes. That's gonna be the next video. I got content all over the place, man. Been getting a lot of riding in and shit. Fuck it though. Gotta make with what you got. You can't be afraid of lane split. I thought I taught you better. No fear in lane splitting. You just gotta fucking be aware.
Bruh.
He stalled. Ah, he stalled. Oh, that's funny. Alright, just fucking took my wheel off my bike. And I forgot to make an intro. I mean, an outro. Huh? I am on your bike. Let's see what he's working with. It's putting in my trash can. It has like a lot of play in the throttle and throttle. Yeah, in the throttle. Has a bunch of play in it. So that's one thing. Too much play. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, guys. If you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure to smack that like button. Comment down below any feedback on the video. Subscribe if you're new. This is Maori Rides, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to white, so I two-toned it. Taking these drugs.
If you guys want me to make a review on this bike, comment, bitches.